Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Today I like to give a whoop whoop to We Create. You was the first one to comment on one of my last videos. So girl, I see you see me, so I want people to see you. So girl, whoop whoop to you. Today, I want to give you guys 3 things that you could be doing wrong when you are deep conditioning your natural hair. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. The first thing that us naturals do to our hair when we're deep conditioning is just straight forgetting to deep condition. I used to be one of those naturals that never deep conditioned my hair. I was just like, what's the point of deep conditioning your hair? What is the point? I'm using a conditioner. Do I really need to sit up here and use a conditioner and then turn around and deep condition my hair? But it is so crucial for you to get that moisture into your hair strands. It is so crucial for you to kind of give your hair a spa day. And that's what a deep conditioner is. It gives your hair that extra boost before you go in and put a styler or go out in the sun and your hair is just getting dried out by putting other things on your hair and by the elements. So using a deep conditioner adds that extra moisture into your hair and it builds up your hair depending on what type of deep conditioner you're using. It really helps build up your hair and prepares your hair for styling, and it makes it a lot more manageable. It makes it a lot more easier to detangle, and it makes your hair really less prone to breakage if you use a deep conditioner. So if you're not using a deep conditioner, this is number 1. Use a deep conditioner. So not using a deep conditioner is the first mistake that we naturals make, or I made, not deep conditioning my hair. It is a purpose. You need to deep condition. So the next thing that I used to do that was completely wrong with my hair was using the wrong deep conditioner. Just because your favorite YouTuber is using this particular deep conditioner, I use a lot of DIY deep conditioners, and I only use a couple of store-bought deep conditioners. I would have to make like videos about like some of the other deep conditioners that I use, but for the most part, I do stick with a DIY deep conditioner, and that works for me. But if your hair likes a store-bought deep conditioner, then make sure you're getting a deep conditioner. If you have thin hair, make sure you're getting a deep conditioner that doesn't have a lot of oil or really heavy like thick conditioner, because then that could weigh your hair down and then your style may not turn out the way that you want it, because you've put either, if your hair is thicker, you haven't put in the right thickness of a deep conditioner, or you just didn't get a deep conditioner that actually penetrated. Either it was too cheap, or the brand wasn't correct, or what they put into, I guess I shouldn't say the brand, but what they put into this particular deep conditioner, it just doesn't work for your hair. So not getting the correct deep conditioner that will actually complement your hair is something else that I was doing completely wrong. And then I was wondering why I was getting more buildup on my hair when I was styling, or else I was wondering what the residue was on my hair, and it's just all wrong. So if you guys are having problems with buildup or residue being left in your hair, you should probably check out your deep conditioner, because if you're deep conditioning, you shouldn't use shampoo after using the deep conditioner, because that will kind of defeat the benefits of using a deep conditioner, which is to make your hair soft. So that is tip number 2. Make sure you have the correct deep conditioner for your hair type, your density, and you will be good. So this last one is almost kind of aching and hard for me to say, but I have to say it. Using a deep conditioner as a leave-in, or leaving it in too long. I am the queen of leaving in conditioners in my hair, sleeping with them overnight. I do have low porosity hair, but what I noticed about using a deep conditioner and leaving it in my hair like for days, or else just using it as a leave-in to just kind of smooth down my hair almost turns into mush because it's moisture overload. And my hair can't take all of the moisture that the deep conditioner have. And then after I rinse out the deep conditioner, like if I go to my next wash day, then my hair is almost hard or else it's gummy. So if you're leaving in a deep conditioner way longer than what the bottle is recommending you to leave it in, then you're probably going to cause more harm than good. But you guys, I am the queen of leaving in deep conditioners, like I said, and or conditioners, period. And now that I've had my son, like, my hair is completely changed and it doesn't like to be wet. And if I do a deep conditioner, it has to be a DIY deep conditioner, and I can leave that in overnight. But if it's a store-bought deep conditioner, then I immediately need to like do a hot, like a hooded hair dryer or something, and leave it in for 30 minutes, 40 minutes under the dryer, and then I have to wash it out. Now, I don't know if that's because it's a more processed side when you buy it from the store versus me doing a DIY deep conditioner, and it may take a little longer to penetrate. But I don't leave my deep conditioners in for 2 and 3 days anymore, because my hair has completely changed and it doesn't like it when I leave my hair wet that long. So now when I do my wash regimen, I make sure I wash my hair either on Saturday or Sunday, and my hair is only wet overnight for a deep conditioner, and then I try to put my hair in a style for that day, because this is kind of like, this is my wash and go for me. I will wash my hair, style it, and then I tie my head rag on or something, and then the next day my hair rag is off, my hair is completely dry. So my hair was only in a bag deep conditioning the night before, and then the whole next day I'm setting my hair for this particular style, and then my hair is fully dry for 5 full days before I go in and take my hair down. So that's just a really quick tip, is if you're not using the store-bought products correctly, just make sure, listen to your hair. Like I say that in a lot of my videos, especially when I'm talking to you guys like this, just listen to your hair and do what your hair likes. But for me, I cannot leave in a deep conditioner as a leave-in or have my hair covered up for 24 hours. I could only leave a store-bought leave-in or deep conditioner in for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes with a hoodie dryer, and then that's all my hair can take. So those are the 3 things that I noticed that my hair don't like anymore. So if these 3 things resonate with you, and if your hair has changed, or if you notice that your hair do or don't like these things, please leave comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.